person, you're probably used to, but I was able to move it throughout the garage without a problem to get it ready for filming. And then as you can see, you can just stack a stupid amount of stuff on here. So I've got all my lawn stuff, we've got our camping stuff, we've got all fishing and water activities down here, and then we've got obviously things like appliances, power tools on the bottom. You can also put stuff off on the side, like I've got a dry bag right here. We can hang like our camping stuff off on the side. Waders, if you need to hang waders, it's tall enough to be able to drain them out. And because, again, it's powder coated, you're not gonna rust. So altogether, a great set of shelves from Reibii, would definitely recommend them.